Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a maths game using Scratch. I'm going to click on the green flag to show you the finished game. It says you have 20 seconds to select the multiples of 2. Ready, set, go. Now all the numbers are floating around. I've got to click on the multiples of 2. So I've clicked on 6 and 2, 4 and 8. And I've got a score of 4. Now if I click on 3, now 3 is not a multiple of 2, but as you can see my score has gone down. So my total score is 3. So make sure you follow each step very carefully. Okay, so step 1, click on sprite 1, so the blue line is around it. Then click on costumes and then import and find your character. So this character is going to appear at the beginning of your game. So I'm gonna scroll down and I'm going to find Ed, because he is the teacher. There he is. I'm going to click on him, then press OK. Great. Now I'm going to make him a little bit smaller, so I'm going to shrink him a little bit. It's up to you. You don't need to shrink yours. You can make yours bigger if you wanted to. And I'm going to delete the 2 cats because I don't need those. And where it says sprite 1 at the top, I'm going to delete that and I'm going to rename it to teacher. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the star and the paintbrush, and I'm going to create my first number. So remember, this number is going to be floating around the screen. So first create a circle. Make sure there's only one color inside of it. So it's all one color. Good. And then you can use the T to type a number inside of it. Now you do not need to use the T. You can use the paintbrush if you want to. There we go. Make sure the number is inside the circle. Then press OK when you're done. And you might want to make your circle a little bit bigger, or you might want to make it smaller. It's up to you. Now I'm going to create 2 sounds, and rather than create them, I'm going to import them. So I've clicked on sounds, import, and I'm going to look for 2 sounds. And these 2 sounds are going to be for when the person clicks on the correct number, a correct answer sound will appear. And when the person clicks on the wrong number, a wrong answer sound will appear. So I've imported my correct answer sound and I've renamed it correct. Now I'm going to look for my wrong answer. Okay, so that will be good for my wrong answer sound. And now I'm going to rename that to wrong. It's very important you rename these. Very important. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make that number sprite a little bit bigger. That's it. Not too big though. Now I'm going to click back on my teacher sprite. I'm going to delete the meow sound because I do not need that. Next, I'm going to click on scripts, and I'm now going to start adding my scripts. So this is the part where we start doing our coding. So first I'm going to click on control when the green flag is clicked. Next, I'm going to go to looks and I'm going to click on show. So at the start of the game, I want my teacher sprite to appear every time I click the green flag. Then my teacher is going to say something. It's going to say, you have 20 seconds to click on the multiples of 2. There we go, and I've put an exclamation mark at the end of my sentence. And I'm going to get another say hello for 2 seconds. And this would be for ready, and then another block for set, and another block would be for go. So ready, set, and I'm going to put 3 dots at the end of each one to create a little bit of suspense. And lastly, the last one will be go, dot, dot, dot. Or if you want, you can put an exclamation mark. It's up to you. Okay, the next step is I'm going to select hide. There we go. Then return to control. And we want the program to wait a second. So as you can see, it says you have 20 seconds to select the multiples of 2. Ready, set, go. And I'm going to change the number in wait from 1 to 20. So the person playing the game is going to have 20 seconds to click on the multiples of 2. Then after 20 seconds, the teacher sprite is going to appear. And there we go. Okay, so this one is in operators and it's called join, hello and weld. And we put that inside the say hello box. And then where it says hello, we're going to replace that with time over. Or you could say game over. Your score is and then we'll just leave a few spaces. And then where it says weld, we're just going to leave that blank for now. So that is the first tutorial. And after this, I'm going to create another tutorial. So make sure you look out for part 2.